good evening to all of you. Today topic on this chemical thermodynamics. The first topic is partial molar quantity. Partial molar quantity. The thermodynamic properties, that is the enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs free energy, or the work function, are the extensive properties, and these properties depend upon temperature and pressure and the composition of the systems, and these their value changes with the change in the number of moles of the system. Consider a extensive property, that is X is a function of temperature, pressure and composition of the system N1, N2, N3 and so on. And for a small change in the property, that is by partial differential, the dx equal to curly x over curly t at constant pressure N1, N2, this dt, curly x upon curly p at constant temperature N1, N2, this dp, the curly x over curly delta N1, this constant temperature, pressure, this N2, N3 and dN1, the curly x over curly N2, constant temperature, pressure, N1, N3 and dN1. When the temperature and pressure of the system is constant, that is when dt equal to 0 and dp equal to 0, तो ये वैल्यू सारे 0 हो जाएगी. तो dx at constant temperature and pressure equal to curly x over curly delta n1, constant temperature, pressure n2, n3 and dn1 plus curly x over curly delta n2 at constant temperature, pressure n1, n3 and this dn2, and these quantities on the right hand side is called partial molar property, that is delta x over delta n1 at constant temperature, pressure n2 and n3, this x1 जो है बार से बार लगाएंगे इसके ऊपर, curly x over curly delta n2 at constant temperature, pressure n1, n3, this curly x2 बार for ith constituents के लिए, for ith constituent के लिए this xi bar, this curly x upon delta ni at constant temperature, pressure and the composition of the system, and this partial molar property is change in the property of the system when 1 mole of pure component is added to in such a way that there is no change in temperature, pressure and the composition of the system. Next is partial molar free energy and the concept of chemical potential. Partial molar free energy and concept of chemical potential. The most important partial molar property is the partial molar free energy, and that is the chemical potential is represented by mu. This mu equal to the gi bar, this is the partial molar free energy, equal to curly g over delta ni, this temperature, pressure constant and this amount composition of the system is constant. If dni equal to 1 mole, so mu equal to the delta g at constant temperature, pressure and the composition of the system. So chemical potential of a constituent in a mixture is change in the free energy of the system when 1 mole of the pure component is added to a large quantity there is no appreciable change in temperature, pressure and the composition of the system. If we take the equation, this G, constant temperature and pressure, this curly G or curly delta N1 upon this temperature, pressure and this N2, N3, this dN1 plus curly G or curly N2, constant temperature, pressure N1, N3 and dN2. This is mu1, the chemical potential of component 1, dG at constant temperature, pressure equal to this mu1 is the chemical potential of component 1, this dN1 plus this mu2 is the chemical potential of component 2, mu2 equal to dN2, and which on integration this G, temperature, pressure and that is this compositions, this mu1, N1 mu1 plus N2 this mu2 and this mu2, that is the contribution per mole of the component 1 and component 2, the change in free energy of the system at constant temperature and pressure and this composition of the system. This is called the chemical potential. Next is Gibbs-Duhem equation. Gibbs-Duhem equation. This is the Gibbs-Duhem equation, summation Ni do mu I equal to 0. This is the Gibbs-Duhem equation. That is, consider the free energy as extrinsic property. G is a function of temperature, pressure and the composition of the system. For small change के लिए partial differentiation करेंगे. dG curly G और curly T at constant pressure, N1, N2, dt, this curly G or curly P at constant temperature, N1, N2 and this dt and dP, the curly G or curly N1 at constant temperature, pressure, this N2, N3 and dN1, this curly G or curly N2 at constant temperature, pressure N1, N3 and dN2. And when the temperature and pressure of the system is constant, तो dP equal to 0 and dt equal to 0, ये 0 हो जाएगा सारा. तो dG temperature and pressure equal to this delta G our delta N1 at constant temperature, pressure N2, N3, the dN1, curly G our curly N2 at constant temperature, pressure N1, N3 and this dN2, and this is the mu1, the chemical potential of component 1, and this is the mu2 is chemical potential of component 2. So dG temperature, pressure equal to this mu1 dN1 plus mu2 dN2 for definite system of composition. On integration पे जो है G equal to temperature, pressure and total number of moles equal to N1 mu1 this N2 and this mu2, and on the differentiation that is dG temperature, pressure N1 equal to, इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे N1, इसका d mu1 हो जाएगा, mu1 dN1 this N2 d mu2 mu2 dN2, इनको इकट्ठा कर लेंगे. N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2 plus mu1 this dN1 plus mu2 dN2, this equation number B and this equation number 1. इसको कंपेयर करेंगे. कंपेयर इक्वेशन A and बी, इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो इससे ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो इससे जो बचेगा n1 d μ1 प्लस n2 d μ2 इक्वल टू 0, तो समेशन की फॉर्म में ni d μi इक्वल टू 0 एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड गिब्स डुहेम इक्वेशन। थैंक यू। सही।